I'm gonna do the cover by Ash Kardashian. Nice pineapple. You see, something about this dude got me tripping. Cause I'm willing to give up all that I've got, all to have what I've been missing. And I'm like, is you crazy? Though it's a conscience in my mind. Cause it's the same old thing that happened to you last time. Remember when you gave him your heart? And in the end that nigga stepped on it? And then you give him all your love. And in the end that nigga pissed on it? And you were hurt. You were in so much pain. You should have listened when they had told you. These niggas are the same. But I see something different in you. Something that makes me think otherwise. Like definitely perhaps you're nothing like these other guys. So I stay. And yeah, maybe that makes me dumb. But those who never love will never know where I'm coming from. And boy, you put me through a lot. Should I be with you? Hell, probably not. Cause every day is the same shit. We're going back and forth about a different bitch. And then I'm mad and crying, asking you why you're lying. You tell me to stop crying cause you ain't doing shit. You're telling me to grow up cause all these bitches is mad. And all they doing is hating, they can prove it. So then I stop and I'm thinking to myself like, you know what? Maybe this nigga didn't. And then I come to my senses and I'm like, hell nah. This nigga did. I know this nigga did it. So I get mad and send you a text settlement and all. And you reply to me. There's no reply at all. So then I'm sitting here like, ain't this about a bitch? Cause I hate it when you do that shit in my Wayne voice. And I know this is an MG song. But I need a beat. I can get my Wayne on. And I'm just speaking from the heart. Thought I would keep this cover simple. But before I sing the hook, shout out to Jacob Beats for the instrumental. Feelings right now. I guess I'm in my feelings right now. I guess I'm really okay. Cut it, bitch.